Hello everybody, nice to have you here today. Today will be a short session and I directly start with a question. If you as a Magento user or Magento developer got tired from the screen? If yes, I can propose you and we will talk today how to make from this screen. So today we will talk about IMS Adobe login for Adobe Commerce. And now I will show you how to replace the standard Adobe Commerce login page with the Adobe account login. So what you can do, you can use Adobe accounts to log in into Adobe Commerce backend, so you don't need to have a separate login page. You don't need to install some additional SSO, SAML extensions to allow you to have a single sign-on. So you can manage everything within your Adobe ID, and that's quite comfortable in case if you not only work with Adobe Commerce but also working with Adobe Experience Management, asset management, so with all different Adobe products, so you have the single login for all the entries. So let's dive in. There are available documentation, and I'll paste a link then after, so feel free. It's quite easy to do. You would need to have an access to Adobe Developer Console additionally, and what you need else to do, so you have to have two-factor authentication enabled for your Adobe accounts, but not for your private, so for organizational accounts it's a requirement, and that's it. So 2 points: 2FA enabled and access to Adobe Dev Console. Let's start with 2FAs. That's been enabled in your admin console of your Adobe account, and then you go into settings, notification settings, and you have to enable this two-step verification for all accounts. So it means everybody who is using it will be forced to use 2FA. So be careful if you already have a big organization there with a lot of people. That will, it may be a bit uncomfortable for some of them, so please warn the people before you will do it. That's the first part. And the second part, you need to have Adobe Dev Console access, and here you need to create a new project. Then you need to add the API. It's Adobe Commerce with Adobe ID, it's already here. Then you define it next. Then you choose in the web app as the login setting. And then you define in the URL of your system. And then you define in the URL pattern. And for that you need to escape all dots inside. And what else you need to do? You need to add the dot and asterisk in the end, so it persists the URL where you come from and correctly redirect you back. Then here will be the scopes that require. You cannot control anything here much. And that's it. You have the configured application. So now let's go to the enabling it. So we're going to a project SSH, and if you'll do the bin Magento command, you will see a nice list of the EMS options. So we definitely need one which named enabled, and it will start you to ask some questions. An organization ID you can take from the project. Go first to project overview, then hit this download button, and it will download you the JSON, which you can open and copy the EMS organization ID out of there. Then just paste it here. Then you need your client ID, which is under the web app settings, so this one, and then your secret. So, and then yes, it will ask you if your 2FA is enabled, and you definitely will answer yes. So that's it. It's have to work now, and if we will switch to the login and we'll refresh the page, we will see the nice login page. That's good. Now it will do automatic redirect because I already logged in. I was logged in Dev Console. And then if I'll click allow access, something have to happen, and it's telling that I don't have an access. So it works. It works by the reason I'm now logged in another account, and what I have to do, I need to try incognito window. So now let's try incognito window. Let's make a login. Company school account. So again, it's asking me if I have an access to, and then I'm in. So that's it. The IMS login is configured, and now you can start to manage it. So 2 points: how to get there, like how it's defined, and if the user has an access or not, or do not have an access. First of all, it's still required to have a user with this email in Magento admin. So I'm usually creating them just in bin Magento console if somebody asking me. It is like it is, at least for now. So don't know if anything will change. Let's have a look. The another point is that user definitely have to be added in Adobe IMS system. It was in with your system administration. If you go into users, and then you will see my user here. So it's have to be added also in Adobe account. That's it. It was quite short. Just wanted to have it on record. And yes, if you want to use it, you can use it. So I hope it was a bit interesting for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the button like, and yeah, see you next videos. Bye bye.